In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a friend in WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And the first off, open up WhatsApp app. Then go to chats. And then tap at that icon at the top right corner of that screen. On the next step, we are able to create new group, new contact, and new community. Tap at new contact. And then first off, enter a phone number. Then enter a name for that contact. And then tap at save. After that, if we would like to send a message to that contact, immediately we can tap right here at that icon. And then we'll be taken to a conversation with that user. And then we'll be able to start messaging. However, if you would like to find that contact later, go to chats, tap at search. Search for the contact by their name. Tap on it, and then you will be taken to a conversation with that user. You can send them a message or you can call them.